All right, here picking up some auction winnings that I got. One's kind of like a little mystery box. I mean, both of them kind of are. So you'll be here to get my raw reaction on what we find in these auction bids. All right, so we got all the stuff, and now we're gonna quickly, I'll try to just show you the highlights. Got this tote full of, it just said vintage hats and t-shirts. Didn't know if that meant vintage t-shirts. I just saw some hats, didn't know how big the tote was. Got it for $17 for everything you're gonna see here. So a lot of these hats have the like little scrambled eggs on there. I'll see if I can maybe lot all these together, but that's kind of what I saw in the pictures. So now we're gonna kind of dig a little deeper, and there looks to be some pretty good stuff in there. I mean, nothing special about this one. I just love the colors. Has the nice rope, snapback, Yupong. It's like by a bank. It just looks cool. I think in just hats alone, there's enough unique ones that, you know, good made in USA tags and stuff. I'll get the money back for sure in the hats. I think I'll double. I was $40 all in, because I got some fishing equipment too, so we'll do the tackle box next. But yeah, Springfield Armory. I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff. But I'm starting to get into some shirts here, so let's see if we have anything good. El Pollo Loco. That's pretty funny. Nice vintage single stitch, cool graphic, anytime, baby. I don't know what this is. Very faded, made in USA. Let's see, what is this one? USS Constellation. Another single stitch tee. A fraternity shirt. Nice, made in USA. Kind of cool. Harpoon, that's on the back. Just a cool graphic on there. And I don't know what this is. So, oh, a few t-shirts. There's another one. So these are cool. They're vintage t-shirts. So that was pretty surprising. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, old Clinton Portis jersey. I didn't know this was going to be in here. Another Clinton Portis jersey. Oh, it looks like a local club. I see a Nike Alfred Morris jersey. Okay, that was kind of unexpected. Oh, another Washington shirt. Seeing if there's any other hats that are standing out. All right, so nothing else standing out in hats, but I think all in all for $17, we did pretty good. All the shirts were single stitch. Some of the hats have a cool like colorway, so definitely all vintage. For $17, would I have picked all these up at a yard sale? No, but for $17, I think I could double, maybe triple my money, and that's selling stuff dirt cheap. I mean, single stitch t-shirts at $5 a piece. Hey, there's collectors out there. I think a few of those will probably do 20 bucks. Okay, but something I've been learning about a ton more. When I find tackle boxes that are heavy, it's almost like it's like a treasure chest. We have been making hundreds of dollars on fishing lures, but some of these vintage lures, I mean, I had a gentleman buy, I think 4 or 5 of them, spent over $100. I put up one set, a lot of 9 at auction. They went for $130. So there's some good money. We're gonna see what we got. So right off the bat, this is a good sign. It's just Bass Pro Shop, but it's a new in package lure, which is always good. Another one of these deep water, saltwater poppers there. Let's see. Oh, a lot of weights. Okay, so it was a lot of fishing weights. I did see this Bushnell aviator sunglasses. I don't know what those are worth. A lot more fishing equipment, some fishing line. I think I did see a fillet knife, sharp fillet knife, but I paid $21 for all of this. Yeah, I don't know, maybe the glasses are worth something. I really bought this to see if there were any other lures. Doesn't look like there's a ton, but the glasses were a surprise. And yes, I'll look up this little fillet knife. Some of those are collectible. Old wooden lures can bring in some incredible money. Different fillet knives, but I got excited because looking through one of the boxes, I'll show you here, there were a ton of new in the package vintage lures. A buck knife, there were 2 in the boxes. I've already sold the first one, $50 free shipping. So I still gotta get all of this stuff listed, but yeah. So yes, if you see what I see, those are still brand new in the package. Lures dating from like the 50s, 60s. So the gamble definitely paid off. I'll get them out one more time. Yes, these Bushnell glasses, and they look to be in phenomenal shape. They are gonna sell with the case from anywhere from $25 to $50. So this single pair of glasses, if I sell nothing else, pays for the whole day. I think we're definitely gonna make some more money. Totally invested $47. I'm gonna go low end. If I could turn $47 into a little over $100, I think it was worth it. It was a gamble. I didn't know what was in the bottom of the tote. I didn't know what was in the bottom. So sometimes it's tough to say, do you want to spend $20 on some fishing poles and a tackle box and a tote of hats? Knowledge goes a long way. So you definitely want to think about those kind of things before you jump in and spend $40 kind of blindly. We still love yard sales, thrift stores. You get to pick those things specifically. But hey, if I could drop off $40 to someone and they could hand me, let's say $120 back, I'll take that. And it's just knowing what to look up, checking eBay for sold comps, seeing what the sell-through rate is, knowing what's kind of in style. Those are all great things you can do to just be a successful reseller.
Huh?